Lot S97 is a 1970 Plymouth GTX hardtop, V-code 440 6-barrel V8 automatic, and it sold for $121,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 41,127 miles. And it's a factory V-code 6-barrel GTX, one of 328 V-code GTXs produced with automatic transmission. Matching numbers 440, 390 horsepower, 6-barrel V8 engine, 727 automatic transmission, factory A32 super performance axle with 410 Dana 60 rear and power front disc brakes, air grabber hood, bucket seats and console, vinyl top, rally wheels, Goodyear Polyglass GT tires, factory EV2 Tour Red car, fender tag. And as you see on the poster board there that they had at the auction, it has a breakdown of the fender tag showing all the different option codes that were on this car from new. And it was quite a few of them. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.